Hair loss is a common problem that can affect both men and women. Luckily, there are natural remedies that can help treat this issue, such as garlic peels and olive oil. To use this treatment, you will need to fill a large cup with garlic peels and another big cup with olive oil. Put them in a pot and set it on fire for boiling. Once it boils, remove it from the fire and let it cool. After that, put the mixture in a jar and massage the oil onto your hair. This treatment can help strengthen your hair and stimulate hair growth. Garlic peels are known to contain sulfur, which can help promote hair growth, while olive oil hydrates your hair, leaving it soft and shiny. It's important to note that garlic can have a strong smell, so you may want to use a scented shampoo after washing your hair. Additionally, it's recommended to use this treatment once a week for the best results. By incorporating this natural remedy into your hair care routine, you can say goodbye to hair loss and hello to healthy, strong hair.